Meron akong trivia dito. Alam nyo ba na ang may-ari nitong Cafe Mabini is member ng Itchy Worms? Itchy Worm ang kumanta ng Akin ka na lang, iingatan ko ang puso mo. I'm here in A Mabini Street at meron tayong nakitang cafe dito just beside Francesco. Dito tayo sa Cafe Mabini. Tara, pasukin natin. At heto na ang menu dito sa Cafe Mabini. Meron silang big breakfast plates which you can order for sharing. Good for 3 to 4 persons. You can order it anytime, all day. Mukhang mag-e-enjoy ako sa dami ng food choices nila dito sa menu. Ang dami kong nakikita na gusto ko. May beef tapa, chicken tocino, Taiwanese adobo, chorizo hubad, homemade pambini, Mabini Premium Pares, lechong kawali, corned beef. Eto pa, may eggs benedict, truffle parmesan fries. Uy, kakaiba itong squash caldo. May fruit bowl. Uy, beef and tendon mami. Meron din silang pizza dito. Curious ako sa kanilang pizza. Hand stretch ang mga pizza nila dito. May tuyong pesto, garlic chorizo hubad. Curious ako sa 4 queso. Of course, hindi pwedeng walang drinks. Meron silang coffee, iba't ibang drinks. Syempre, meron ding sweets. Parang lahat gusto ko orderin. Ito ang kanilang 4 keso. May mozzarella, cheddar, kesong puti, grana padano, and cherry tomatoes. Meron din kasamang arugula. Pizza, pinakaba. Guys, ang sarap ng pizza dough. Hindi ako fan ng arugula pero nag-compliment yung arugula sa lasa ng pizza sa ngayon sa cheese. Ito naman ang kanilang lechong kawali. Deep fried pork belly slab with fried onions and liver sauce served with 2 eggs freestyle. For this, I choose to have 2 sunny side ups. Meron din kasamang atsara at syempre, hindi pwedeng walang rice. Garlic rice pa. Rice is life. Sarap pala yung taba. Ito naman ang kanilang house-cured US corned beef. It is house-cured corned beef served with fried onions and 2 eggs freestyle. Again, meron ding atsara at syempre, ang garlic rice. Guys, ang sarap ng corned beef nila. Next, yung kanilang kanilang homemade spam bini. Curious ako sa lasa ng kanilang homemade spam served with 2 eggs freestyle. May kasama pa din siyang garlic rice and atsara. Guys, superb ang kanilang homemade spam. Hindi siya sobrang alat. At heto na ang kanilang squash caldo. Curious ako sa lasa nito kasi kakaiba. First time ko ma-encounter yung ganitong klaseng caldo. It's Hainan style squash based arroz caldo with tender chicken slices served with 2 slices of adobo eggs. Ito naman ang kanilang beef and tendon mami. It's a slow-cooked beef and tendon soup with fresh egg noodles, fried onions, and adobo egg, served with wonton chips and chili garlic. Yum yum! Ito naman ang kanilang mabini premium pares. Is a beef and tendon pares served with adobo egg and soup. Syempre, may garlic rice. At atsara. Grabe, 1 dosenang itlog na yata ang naubos ko dito. Sarap. Syempre, hindi natin palalampasin ang kanilang dessert. Nag-order ako ng ube braso cheesecake, isang tiramisu, at midnight bars. Midnight na ba? Syempre, best with brewed kapeng barako. Guys, it's a must try itong Cafe Mabini. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!